gentlemen, it's a banana. Who here like? So here comes Mango, also the blue and gold macaw, and he's also from South America, of course. So Mango is the one demonstrating how he flies into the theater, just like how he flies in the dense rainforest. So for that, Mango of the theater. So you can see when he was about to land, he flapped it very quickly, and then he used his long tail feather at the back to control the rate, speed, and direction of where these birds are going. So that is how he demonstrates his flight in the humans who have very heavy bones. Alright, so that was Mango's splendid flight, and he lands onto our lead trainer, Ranger Aiman. So let us all give a big round of applause. Alright, thank you so much, Mango. Now let us all say bye-bye, Mango. And Mango is now ready to head back home to South America as well. So Putri over here has a very special mission to do today. She's going to lift up the Malaysian flag in honor of our beautiful country. Now let's give her some support. Let's clap for Putri, for our country, Malaysia, truly Asia. Well done, Putri. So you see some the feathers, it looks like an upside down umbrella. And now she's saying welcome to all of you to the Wildlife Theatre. Very good job, Putri. Alright, so the Wildlife Theatre. So now, ladies and gentlemen, would you like to see Putri's best friend? Yes or no? Alright, so now let's put your hands together and clap. And let's welcome Speed. Speed? Where are you? Wow, there he is, zooming all the way into the Wildlife Theatre. So Speed over there is also an umbrella crested cockatoo, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, the crest on top of their head. So for those of you sitting quite closer to the front, would you like to have a closer look at Putri? So Putri here has some eyes over her. Her eye color is, can you see the eye color? Cannot. Can you see? Not sure. Actually, yeah, her eye color is red. Jojo is coming very fast, very smoothly. And he makes one round all the way to our lead trainer, Ranger Aiman. Come, let's clap for Jojo over here. Alright, actually I have some questions for Jojo over here. So he's very special. African grey parrots, ladies and gentlemen, are master copies of words. So you can actually train them to talk because of their long, flexible tongue inside. So I heard that Jojo is training Ranger Aiman. May I know how long? Let's have them as pets at home. Be careful of what you see. She's your special friend, Ranger Aiman. Alright, Yoko is a superstar today. Yoko, I have some questions to interview you. My first question, are you sure you're Yoko? Yes, she's very sure. We have to confirm her identity because there's so many birds during the show. Yoko, my second question, I see some blush on your cheeks and your dress was so beautiful. Oh, do you think you're pretty? Yes, she's very pretty and I agree she looks very lovely. Yoko, my third question, I heard this rumor, you're not just any friend to Ranger Aiman, but you're like boyfriend and girlfriend. Is that true? It's true, but I cannot see any proof. None of us can see. Can you show us all some proof, please? What is he doing? She's kissing him on the cheek. I don't have some shame, Yoko. Okay, not only Yoko is going to show her affection, but in the hope. So now Yoko is going to fly. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to see Yoko fly? Yes? Alright, so now let's ask Yoko. Yoko, are you ready to fly? Yes, she's super ready. So now let's come together to 3. 1, 2, 3. And now Yoko goes to the first hook and the second hook. And now she gets to the final hook.